Welcome to DIY for Homeowners by Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we are doing something a little different. Mom, what are we doing?
We are modeling our brand new winter wear.
Wow.
And you're probably thinking, you're Florida girls. What do you know about winter?
It gets cold.
It does get
It's like
cold.
60 degrees today, guys. We gotta bundle up.
We gotta bundle up, yes.
People are gonna be real mad that we just said that. It's gotten in the 40s before, and it even snowed a couple years ago. So hey, we do know cold. So as you know, we work with Home Depot. Every quarter we get sent new tools to use and try out. Well, this quarter we got a jacket. We did not think when we started our partnership with Home Depot that one day we would be reviewing
Gonna be sending
fashion.
fashion, yes. But it is considered a tool because look, it uses a battery.
And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about this jacket. But you know what? Before we start talking about it, we gotta do a fashion show. You can see here Mom is pairing the Ridgid heated jacket with a Home Depot beanie, and here she goes strutting her stuff. Yeah. It is Florida, so we do have to wear the flip-flops and the shorts.
And here's Steph, and she's pairing her look with a Ridgid purse. Tool bag. But in actuality, she has been using it for the last month as a purse. It's very roomy. Room enough for lip gloss and your occasional battery. This is a heated jacket, so we need to talk about how it heats. Well, it uses one of these. So if you have the Ridgid 18-volt tool line, you have these, you're good to go. It comes with a battery. It comes with an adapter. You put that on. You plug it in. You press this little go button, and you're ready. To start your jacket, you press and hold that button until it turns red, and then you can cycle through the next two temperatures. Turn it off, press and hold till the light goes off.
Another great feature is it has a removable hood. So you can see Mom is rocking her hood right here.
Because I'm way colder than she is. So.
I actually took my hood off, so you can see right here that it has a great place to zip up. You can zip off, zip on, and then you can also attach these little Velcro pieces, and it will cover the zipper, and it will be just like a regular hooded jacket. It also has a nice fleece right around the kind of the openings around the armholes, so you keep all the warm heat in and not coming out. The battery, at first it feels a little strange because you're kind of weighted on one side, but after a while, after wearing it, you get pretty used to it. You can also charge your phone with the battery. Right here you can see you can plug in your phone, and then you can actually feed your charging cable through the jacket really nicely, and then plug in your phone right here at the top so you can keep it charged as you're keeping yourself warm and toasty with the battery. And this front pocket is a great pocket to keep your phone in. We really like it. We think it's really high quality, really well made. And also sawdust really comes off of it really nicely, and it's super easy just to kind of put on.
Sawdust.
And I'm ready to go.
Yes.
So you can use it heated or unheated, and it just is a really warm jacket. You don't want to wash it because it does have heating elements inside of it, so you just want to spot clean it.
Because I got some wood glue on this one and a little bit of water. I took it right off.
To clarify, Mom got wood glue on my jacket.
That's true, I did.
And then she's like, here you go.
It came right off her jacket, yes.
So we hope you enjoyed this kind of fun video. This is a little different for us. We just got the fashion of a jacket in the mail for a tool this quarter. We just thought, this is fun. Let's make a fun video
Let's just
about
have
it.
fun with it, yes.
Exactly.
But in all seriousness, it's going to be great for our, we do have very cold winters here. It's great for being in the garage, for taking Mac out for a walk, to sit in my house before I turn the heat on. If you're going to a ball game, it's great to wear in the stadium.
Exactly. So we're big fans. If you have any questions about us, please let us know in the comments below. And I forgot to say, obviously Home Depot was sponsoring today's project. We want to give a big shout out and thank you to Ridgid for sending us 2 of these jackets to try out. That's it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Ooh, so cold.
So cold.
Let's go. Yes. Actually, I'm pretty comfortable.
I'm really comfortable too. Yeah, this is just a great jacket.
Well, you know, this is the look for Florida.
What?
Heated on top and shorts on the bottom.
Shorts on the bottom.
Yes.